Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, we will see how to install and use the free Yoast SEO plugin on the Elementor website. On this dummy website, we are using Elementor to edit the blog post, and we will see how we can use the Yoast SEO plugin along with the Elementor. So we need to see the Yoast SEO settings while editing the blog post using Elementor. So this is the blog post that I have published on this dummy website. This is something about how to install WordPress on PC or laptop. This is the initial description, and after that I have one video on how to install it, and these are some simple steps, an image, and after that we have frequently asked question. Now we are going to install the Yoast SEO free plugin, and we will see how we can improve the SEO score of this blog post while editing in Elementor. So let's go to the plugins and click on add new. Here search for Yoast SEO. So this is the plugin that we are going to install. So click on install now. Click on activate. So the free plugin has been installed and it is activated. Now let's go to post. So this is the blog post on which we are going to use this Yoast SEO plugin, and you can see that this blog post has been edited using the Elementor, not the default Gutenberg editor. We are using Elementor to edit this blog post. Now there are two ways you can see the SEO settings of this blog post. The first way is to click on edit. So it will show the edit settings of this blog post, not the Elementor settings, only the edit settings. So click on edit. So this is the blog title and the category and featured image and all the other settings of this blog post, but you will not see any content over here because we are not using the WordPress editor. We are using the Elementor to edit this blog post. Now here at the bottom you will see the options, the Yoast SEO option, and from here you can edit the SEO settings of this blog post. However, while editing the SEO settings here, you will not be able to see the content of the actual blog post, content of the blog post like this. Here you can see all the blog post settings, and if you go to readability, it will not show anything about the actual blog post here. The length of the blog post, is there any image on the blog post? So we need to check the settings while editing the blog post. Let's go to the blog post, or you can go here, edit with Elementor. So now we are on the Elementor dashboard, and from here you can see content and images, videos, everything is here. Now here you can go to this option and you will see Yoast SEO here. So from here you can see the Yoast SEO, or you can go to settings and here you will see the Yoast SEO. So I'll go here and go to Yoast SEO. Now here you will see the SEO settings of this blog post. Now it says you need to update it, so click on update. Okay, now here it will show you the SEO analysis. Key phrase distribution. It says internal links are required. So you will need to put some internal links to another blog post. So what I can do, I can go here and let's say I'm going to use install WordPress. This is just a dummy post and I'm going to link it to, let's say, reviews page. Okay, now let's go back to Yoast SEO. Now that problem is gone. The internal link, you will see, yes, you have enough internal links. Now it says key phrase length. We will need to set the key phrase. So this will be about the keyword of the blog post. So this is the keyword I am focusing in this blog post: install WordPress on PC. Now here it says key phrase distribution. I need to enter this similar key phrase at different location on the blog post. Meta description. So it says no meta description is there. Okay, so we need to enter some meta description. I'll show you that. Image key phrase. So this is the image that we have on this blog post. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this image and click on it, and I need to add the alt text. So I'm going to add the same key phrase in the alt text. and here you go. If you go, it will say images on this page do not have alt. I'll need to update it, and that is gone. So that problem is fixed. It will show the points that you need to work on this blog post. Meta description. So I need to work on the meta description. Now it also shows the 619 words are there in this blog post. Now if I go here, and if I go to readability of this blog post, I'm not going to see how many words are there. But if I go here, I can see the number of words in this blog post. Now let's go to Google preview and let's see how does this look. So this is how it will look on the Google. We can change the SEO title. So this will be the title, the SEO title. Here you will see it. And I'm going to add some meta description here. Now it shows the length of the meta description. You will see green bar here. So you can type in the short description here, and it will look like this on the mobile device, and it will look like this on the desktop. Okay, now you can click on return to Yoast. Google preview has been fixed. This is for the Facebook preview. However, you will need the Yoast SEO premium plugin for this. Right now you can update it. So once it is in green, that means the blog post has been optimized for the SEO. So this plugin will help you improve the SEO score of your blog content or the page. So this is how you can use the Yoast SEO plugin on Elementor website. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.